gloves. Go, 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 go. I forgot my gloves again. Go, 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 go. Dude, I need my gloves. Where's Nate? 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 Oh, there's Nate. I'm spooked. I need my gloves. Can't see anybody at all. What? We'll go out. Don't spook us, come on. Hey? 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 Shit, Nate. Hit! Oh, what did they hit? So I need my gloves. Hit, hit, hit. Grab it, this way. Hit, 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 hit. Hit. Oh, okay. Hit, 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 hit. 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 Hit! Oh, God. Dude. Dude, we're screwed right now. You good? Thank God. I need my gloves.
But someone needs to go cover it.
I thought the spawn was over there, because their spawn's right there.
Well, their spawn's over there, their flag's over there. Yeah. Our flag's over here, our spawn's right here.
Are you sure?
Yeah, so
They said they were there.
that's corner, their flag, that says their spawn.
Shit. We need to keep people covering the flag.
So we should have like maybe 2 or 3 rushers in there.
We need 8, alright. 2 people, at least 2 people, be at the flag. 2 people, I'll go. Be in the middle.
I'll go at the
Someone
flag.
be with
I'm
me
going.
to go.
We forgot the flag.
You,
It's in that corner.
we got the
Then we're
flag.
allowed to watch it, right?
Alright, I'm gonna like stay in them.
You guys just go for it. You didn't say yet. They're gonna be rushing. They're gonna be rushing, bro. Woohoo! Where's the flag, bud?
It's right there on the thing.
On the thing? Found him. Watch the flag I got this way. Fuck. This way? We lost it? Jack's right here, help. Oh, hey there, friend. Right there, get down, get down. No. Spooked. I'm so sorry. Whoa! Shit, this is bad. Hit. 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 That's all lost. Someone's in there. Someone's in there. Someone's in the thing. Oh. They're right there in the room. They're in the room. Yeah. What are they shooting at? What? I hate being a defender. I hate being a defender.
I mean, I got 3 kills, but I got 2.
I saw 0 people at like whole time.